Tickers, you work like while. Watch out. Watch out. That's the matter. Forward, back, and me feel like the money kind of evil. Me feel like the money evil, me not bias. Me tickers, me no make some blood now way for the tickers. Make some way for me container. Make some way for me tickers, you know.
The ladies want to wind up their waist. Open up the little and give us some space.
Hold on. One next one, join it too.
No, wait.
Good morning, Olive. Good morning, Olive. Good morning, Miss Manley. Manley Tyler. Yes, good morning, Miss Manley. Miss Manley, all right?
I ain't your time yet.
Hold on a little
Cool
bit.
over.
Just stay right there so no more. See me can't hear. Oi, what's it? One more person again, baby. Good things come from underneath you. Yo! Blood clot plate!
Ladies want to wind up their waist. Open up the little and give us some space. Let them mash up the place.
Look why me nearly jump off your son. Chatting her one more quick to shit. But guess what? Yes, see that money? Are you already sure?
I done that yet.
I won't even done that yet.
Fatty.
But guess what? You know over.
I done that yet.
Let's all live now. Let's all live now.
How would you ever say for the floor? Let me know. I want to something.
Let's answer. The money, you whole of them bad. So guess what me I go do, you know?
Yeah.
Every girl work like one by herself. No.
Yeah.
The bad girl never just work. You all I know is just work taking blood clot, nigga. Why not take him, nigga, there now? You never see him. Not be the cash, girl, them. Not be the cash.
Fight up and then slim girl there now. I want you to spin up there. I'm a spin up. Slim girl, I tell you can't do that. Stuffy girl, I tell you can't do that. But the girl when you dress like that. Slim girl, I tell you can't do that. Stuffy girl, I tell you can't do that. We back to the girl when you dress like that. Slim girl, I tell you can't do that. We come here for the thing we can't do that.
Stop. Watch out. What do you watch this? Excuse me. Bring us somewhere, please. Watch your one. Turn on the light. Watch your one. Every Monday you buy liquor for a night. No. If a $50 $100 drop in Irish. Fuck buckler and some man look for pussy and I drop no money.